Hey everyone, Piyush here, back again on another video, and today we are going to learn how to install and set up Python in Windows and Linux. So without wasting any time, let's start the installation. First of all, you have to go to the official site of Python, that is python.org. Then hover your mouse on the download section and you can see a button Python with its version. Click on it to download the file. It will download an exe file for Python. You can also download the same from the link given in the description. Now go to the folder where it is saved and then double click on it, and then you will see a window like this. Make sure you click on this checkbox to add Python to your path variable. After that, click on install now. Now just wait for a few minutes, it will do everything for you. So the installation part is over. Now we will see how to use Python. For this, you have to open the command prompt and write Python and hit enter. It will open the Python interpreter in your command line. So you can see it is working fine. Now let's see how to run a Python program in the command line. Open the command prompt and move to the directory where the Python file is saved and write the following command. You can see it is working fine. Check the description for more details. Now the installation and setup is finished. If you are a Linux user, you don't have to install Python. Python is already installed in it. To run the Python program, you can use the same commands that I have used for Windows. That's all for this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and do share it with your friends who are new to programming, and make sure you subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.